Сторінка 44, колон 4.2, помилка та закінчить речення з comparative чи superlative предметів в дужках. Тут у нас з'являється англійська. Це funniest part. I think that I have a good story is more important. These are the most fun on the table. Going to the cinema is more exciting. That is the worst thing I have ever seen. The main character isn't good looking enough, and this is current as explained to the others. Too young to see the film. The actors weren't loud enough for me to hear. Our TV screen is as big as yours. Право номер 3 знайдіть і обрати помилки, речення було коректним. It's the funniest. It's the funniest film I have seen. The second part of the film was worse than the first part. Women. The scenes here aren't as big as other chairs at home. The music in the film was too loud. Most commentaries aren't interesting enough. Самого кінці. Тут все, тут ставимо на сторону сюди. Вправо номер 4. Визначте речення до кожної пари має саме значення, без і інше значення. The new cinema is bigger than the old one. The old cinema isn't as big as the new cinema. The tickets are expensive. The tickets are cheap enough. It is the most exciting film. And no film is exciting as one. S. Речення правильну форму more exciting than has water has tone on or handle. As scary. Realistic. Enough. Old enough. Enough. In spelling. As